Hi, it's Nishi, and today's video, what I want to talk about is one of the most common mistakes small businesses make when they're trying to work out if they need to register for VAT or not. It's really important to understand this because if you were meant to register for VAT and you didn't, then what HMRC can do is backdate that VAT registration and then can give you quite a large tax bill and potentially penalties because of missing that VAT registration. So if you do need to register, it's important to know exactly when. The VAT registration threshold in this country at the moment is £90,000 a year. That means you can make £90,000 of sales before you actually have to register. Sometimes people register voluntarily when their turnover is lower than 90k for many reasons. I'll do another video on that. But in this situation, one of the biggest mistakes people make is they either don't understand when they've gone over that £90,000 because they haven't kept their accounting software up to date or kept a track of their sales. But another mistake they often make is not understanding that £90,000 threshold is based on the last 12 months, not a tax year, not a company year. What does that mean? Whatever month you are in during that year, you have to look at the last 12 months of performance to see if you went over £90,000. So if your year end, or if you're in March, you would essentially look from April last year to March this year. If you were in June, you look at July last year to June this year, or sorry, the end of June this year. The point being though is it's on a rolling 12-month basis. And then the third mistake people make when they need to work out whether or not to register for VAT is they don't understand it's based on invoicing, not the cash that you've collected. While there are cash and invoicing based VAT schemes, in terms of actually the turnover threshold and calculation, it is definitely based on invoicing. So if you had just started a new project and you've invoiced out a load of work which hasn't been paid yet, you've got to include those invoices when you're trying to figure out if you've gone over that £90,000 in that 12-month period. So those are three common mistakes. It's definitely worth being aware of them. Watch this video carefully. There's a lot of stuff we can do to help you to make sure you don't get caught out by it. And I'll see you at the next video.